Today, Fort Knox and the Kentucky Department of Veteran Affairs hosted the annual Memorial Day ceremony. Major General Frank Muth opened the ceremony by honoring those who lost their lives in battle and giving thanks to the families who are here with us today.
Memorial Day is a time-honored our commitment to never forget those who served and sacrificed for our country. And today, in this place, we do that once again. Thank you for coming today, and thank you for remembering our fellow service members and their selfless service.
Going step by step, the Human Resource Command Honor Guard demonstrated how to properly fold the United States flag,
reminding us of our nation's motto, "In God we trust."
So Memorial Day is very important to me. I've had several family members that have served all the way back to my grandfathers, and then also my uncles, my father, my brother, my sister-in-law. And to me, it's very important for us to remember the sacrifices that each one of these individuals made along with their family members, because we know that while they're off to service, that is a tremendous burden for them, but it's also a tremendous burden for the family as well. And so their sacrifice is great, but we also need to celebrate their contributions and also their dedication and their willingness to serve.
General Muth and his senior enlisted advisor, Command Sergeant Major Tabitha Gavia, honored all those lost in service to the nation with a Solman salute. The Memorial Day ceremony was concluded with pieces from the band. I am Inayah Bolton, reporting from Cadet Command Public Affairs. Have a wonderful Memorial Day.